Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, honorable guardians and dear student. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Creator during COVID-19. I am Mr. Arifur Rahman, assistant teacher, Periphery High School. Welcome to all you in our class. Today we will learn from English second paper. In our previous class we have learned from narration, the definition of narration, the classifications of narrations and the part of narrations. Dear student, today we will learn changing of tenses. Look at our chart. Reported speech of direct speech. When reported speech of direct speech is simple present tense. When the reporting verb of direct speech is present indefinite tense and future indefinite tense, there will be no change of reported speech of changes. Reported speech, there is no change, need not to be changed. When the reported speech of direct speech is the reporting verb of direct speech is past indefinite tense. We will see he said past indefinite tense reporting verb. It will be changed into when we will find any simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, future simple tense, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. We will see corresponding another chart. When we will find any reported speech in future indefinite tense, it will turn into simple past tense. Present continuous tense turn into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense it will be changed into past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense it will be changed into past present perfect continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. And number 5, past indefinite tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. Number 6, past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. And future simple tense, number 7, it will be changed into future in past. And when we will find any reported speech with past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense, no change is needed. Dear students, we have already looked at the chart. I will turn down our chart and I will try to solve our sum problem and examples. Dear students, first we can see reporting verb. He says it is written in present indefinite tense and reported speech it is written in present indefinite tense. So I will solve the problem. Their interaction. He says conjunction that I will follow the he is when In the second sentence number B, repeating verb is in future indefinite tense and repetitive speech also future indefinite tense. So no change is needed. We will solve this example. You will say that. You will, no sorry, yes, you will do it. We have already solved this problem. In number C, Kamal says, we can see this is repeating verb with present indefinite tense and repetitive speech with present continuous tense. We will solve this sentence. Kamal says that he will remain he as it is. Listen to me. He, repetitive speech, subject of repetitive speech. He as it is third person. So no need change of person. So I have written he is going to school. In number D, example number D, we have already seen that he said repeating verb is past indefinite tense and I feel feverish. Repetitive speech in present indefinite tense. As we have learned, repeating verb is past tense, corresponding repetitive speech with present indefinite tense turn into past indefinite tense. Now we will solve this problem. He said that I will follow repeating verb of subject he. Verb will be changed into past indefinite tense. Felt, feverish. Can you understand? Probably we can understand. In example number E, Rina said to me. This is repeating verb in past indefinite tense and I have done it. This repetitive speech is in present perfect tense. So it will be changed into past perfect tense. So we will solve this problem. Rina said to me that she, within bracket R for Rina, had done it. Dear student, in example number F, direct narration, he said repeating verb in past indefinite past tense and repeating is in present perfect continuous tense. When we will find present perfect continuous tense, find the repeating verb in past tense. Present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. So we will solve this problem and look our board. He said that he It had been raining for 2 days. Dear students, I hope you have understood these examples. Dear students, I will go next example. Now I am arranging the board. I am writing another example, number G. Direct speech. He said to me. Repetitive speech. I shall do the sum. I will solve this direct relation into indirect. Before that, I will explain you. Repetitive verb is in past indefinite tense, and repetitive speech is in future indefinite tense. In indirect narration, it will be changed into future and past. Now I am solving this problem. Try to understand. He said to me that as I is first person, it will follow the person of repetitive verb he. So I change into he. Should do the sum. I am trying to explain this. In repetitive speech, as I is followed. Repetitive verb, subject of repetitive verb he is turned into he, and shall, it is in present future indefinite tense. As the repetitive verb is in past tense, so shall is changed into should. Dear students, I hope you have learned and understood these examples. Dear students, now I will give you homework. Please do this homework and submit it in our office. Write down in your notebook these examples and solve this problem and submit it in our office. Home 1. Number 1. Kamal says to me, they went to school. Number 2, direct speech. Robin will say He will do the sound. And number 3, direct speech. Kobe said to his friend, I am going to Dhaka. In number 4, direct translation. He said to his mother, she has sold a book. In number 5, direct speech. They say to us, they have been playing cricket for 2 hours. Dear students, try to solve these examples and submit it in our office. Thank you very much for participating in our classes. Daily, you have to study in your home. Thank you very much.